After his appeal was denied 15 hours ago, Steve Bannon might soon be heading to prison. Written by Holly Honderick in Seattle, Distribute Getty. Image's former Trump advisor Steve Bannon makes a point while speaking on February 28, 2023, in New York City, following his court appearance at the NYS Supreme Court. Getty photographs. Steve Bannon claimed that by declining to testify before Congress, he was adhering to legal advice. Former Trump strategist Steve Bannon's criminal conviction has been upheld by a federal appeals court. After years of legal wrangling, the decision could soon land 70-year-old Bannon in prison. In 2022, he was found guilty of contempt of Congress for not supplying the committee looking into the Capitol riot on January 6th with documents or testimony. A new appeal will be filed, according to Bannon's attorney, who also stated that important constitutional issues at stake were involved. Bannon was given a 4-month prison sentence and a $6,500 £5,200 fine. However, the right-wing podcaster was allowed to stay out of jail on bond while contesting his conviction. He has denied any criminal wrongdoing. A fall from grace for Steve Bannon. Steve Bannon is jailed for 4 months for contempt. Peter Navarro, a former Trump aide, begins his prison sentence. Bannon was trying to work out a compromise rather than just reject the committee's subpoenas, according to his attorneys, who also described the case as politically motivated. When Bannon declined to appear before the House committee looking into the 2021 attack, meant to prevent Congress from confirming Joe Biden's victory in the 2020 election, he has insisted that he was acting in accordance with legal advice. The U.S. D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals unanimously dismissed Bannon's argument, stating that it runs headlong into settled law. On behalf of the court, which also included appointments from Trump and Obama, Justice Bradley Garcia, a Biden appointee, wrote, "This exact advice of counsel defense is no defense at all. Bannon was not required to start his 4-month sentence right away. He has 7 days from now to submit a new appeal." His attorney, David Schoen, stated that he would request that the case be heard by the entire 11-member D.C. Appeals Court. Mr. Schoen maintained that Bannon would be breaking the law if he testified before Congress, and that Donald Trump had used executive privilege, a legal doctrine that permits presidents to keep some communications private. Mr. Schoen stated that Bannon was informed in no uncertain terms that he was not permitted, as a matter of law, to in any way respond to the subpoena by his legal team. Another prominent Trump aide, Peter Navarro, reported to prison in March following his own conviction for contempt of Congress. In a 2021 memoir titled In Trump Time, Navarro claimed to have designed a plan to contest the results of the 2020 election that elected Joe Biden as president. After playing a pivotal role in Mr. Trump's triumphant 2016 campaign, Bannon joined the White House as chief strategist. After the violent far-right rally in Charlottesville, Virginia, in August 2017, he resigned from that role. The combative podcaster was regarded as one of Mr. Trump's closest allies even after he departed.